Here is how you can change your name on Epic Games. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can change your display name on Epic Games. So let's start. First of all, open any browser of your choice. Then after, search for Epic Games and open the official website. As you open the website of Epic Games and log into your account, you'll find a page like this. Now in order to change your name, go to the profile like icon on the top, then after go to account. It will lead you to a page like this. On the right side of your display name in account settings, you will find this edit option. Click on it. Now enter the new name that you want to use. After that, tick on this box. Then click on confirm. As you do that, your display name will be successfully changed and set to a new one. Remember that you can change your name once every 2 weeks, so after you set a new name, you won't be able to change it for 2 weeks. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.